Hi everybody, it's Connie. Welcome to my channel once more. Listen, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some orange chicken that's fast and easy with some homemade fried rice. Couldn't be more simple. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on this yummy orange chicken. What I've decided to do is to take the easy route today. Instead of frying chicken in my pan and then trying to make the sauce and everything that goes on it, I'm taking the easy way out, and I'm going to use breaded chicken nuggets. Now this is so simple, you guys. You just follow the instructions on the back on how to cook the nuggets. So what I've done is I have a 32-ounce bag, and I just took half of them since I'm not making for a family of 4 or 5. It's just me and Dave. You guys know that probably. So if my grandkids were here, I'd be cooking this bag and probably some more because they love orange chicken. Believe me, they love this. Okay, so let's get started on this rice. What I've done is I took 2 tablespoons of butter on low to medium heat in your pan because you don't want your rice to burn. And I'm just buttering the bottom of my pan real quick. And then I pre-cooked 4 cups of minute rice. And I've just kind of let it set and cool. And so I'm going to give that a stir when this butter kind of coats my pan there. And I'm just going to put this down in my pan like this. Like this. While these chicken tenders are cooking, this is a perfect time to do this. Now you can buy the pre-cooked rice if you want to and make this a very simple dish. But I chose to make the homemade rice. I think it just makes it taste a little bit better. So I'm going to let this kind of start simmering in my pan. And while that's happening, I'm going to season it with a little bit of garlic salt. Sea salt is what I have here. Now this is optional, and you can also use minced garlic if you want to. And I'm going to hit mine with a little bit of onion powder, and you can also chop onions if you want and put in here. I want to choose the easy way today. I didn't want to stand here and chop a bunch of stuff. And I'm going to give this a little stir. Let this cook. I can already hear it simmering. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. You guys have been fabulous. I mean, I'm beyond ecstatic what you guys have already done to support my channel. And I really appreciate you guys. So keep it up because I love hearing from you. Okay, so I'm going to give this just a few minutes to kind of get incorporated with the seasonings. And then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt, like this, and a little bit of pepper. And like I say, all the seasonings that you see me putting in here are totally optional. That's your choice. And you could add some frozen vegetables. I'm going to add peas and carrots to mine. You could choose to add some other things if you wish to yours, but I bought a frozen bag of just the regular peas and carrots, and I'm just going to put that in here like this and get this all mixed up. Let this cook. I don't know if you guys can see how beautiful these peas and carrots already are in this rice. And I can already smell my chicken nuggets cooking. So simple, and we're going to make that yummy, yummy orange glaze to go on that chicken when it comes out the oven. So you'll want to stay tuned to watch that. So now what we are going to do is add 1 egg. You can use 2 if you want to, if you use more rice with yours. But I'm going to take 1 egg, and I'm going to beat it in my little bowl here and kind of mix it up. Now, if you don't want egg white, you can use the egg yolk. But what I'm going to do in the middle of mine is I'm going to just make a little well in the middle of my rice here and pour that egg right in. Kind of give it a stir and let that cook up. Let it scramble just a little bit, like that. Okay, so my egg is scrambling. So I'm going to get it all scrambled there in the middle. And then I'm just going to start folding it in to my rice, just like this. And leave me a comment if you guys have a different way of cooking your rice. I'd love to hear how you make your rice at home. Okay, and now that we've got our egg incorporated in here, I'm going to take some soy sauce. Now you can use low sodium soy sauce if you prefer. I'm just using the regular today, and I'm just going to hit it with probably about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, like that. Give it another little stir, and I think our chicken nuggets are just about ready to come out of the oven. And when they do, I'm going to show you how to make that fabulous orange marmalade sauce to go on top of it, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, our chicken nuggets are out of the oven, and our beautiful homemade fried rice is finished. And yes, I tasted it, and it is yummy. Okay, so let me show you how to make the marmalade to go on it. What you're going to need is 1 jar of orange marmalade. Now you're only going to need 1 cup of this, so you'll have plenty left over to make another one whenever you get ready. And I'm not going to measure that, because I think that's about 1 cup of that. It's about half my jar. And then you're going to need 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. And I use the Sweet Baby Ray's because we love this stuff. It's awesome. So 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. That's what you're going to need. Just like that. And then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, once you have this mixed together, get a damp paper cloth and put over your bowl, just like this. And it has to be a microwave safe bowl. And we're going to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Okay, this is out of the microwave. So I'm just going to give it a little stir. And I put my chicken tenders in a little bowl like this. And I'm going to pour my orange marmalade all over my chicken to get the chicken all covered in this beautiful orange sauce, and it is phenomenal. Now guys, this is like the Panda Express hack for you guys. Okay, so once you let the chicken kind of absorb the sauce, we're ready to plate it up in this beautiful fried rice. This just looks so good. I can't wait for you guys to go try this and share it. But don't leave just yet. I have something I want to share with you guys. Let me show you here how beautiful this chicken is, and yummy. And you can take the sauce and just kind of spread it over it. And there you go. Simple, easy, fast. I mean, it couldn't be any faster. I'm trying to give you guys quick, easy meals so you don't have to stand in the kitchen all night or all day. And this is one of them. But before you leave, I wanted to tell you, we love going to the restaurants where I get the fortune cookies. And I have one I want to share with you. And it says, aspire to be great, then help others. And really, I hope that my channel does just that. And I hope I inspire you. You guys, go share the love. Tell somebody you love them today, because you never know when it's your last day. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Love you all. Bye.